Well, guys, this is our first baby to hatch from this second batch. I came home and she was still in the egg turner when we found her. So I went ahead and set up the eggs onto the rack, and she'll be in here for at least 24 hours so that way she can warm up and help encourage the other eggs to hatch. But yeah, this is our little bantam chick. And they weren't due until this weekend.
4 days.
Mm-hmm.
It's nice to see everyone's back again. Felix, nice to see you.
But I'm gonna let her rest. She had a very hard day.
Before we get started, I just wanted to say, last time that we were here, we met.
But I'll update you guys on how the chick is doing, and I'll see you in the next short.